Hey everybody, and welcome to today's workout. Today I have a 20-minute prenatal weight workout. It is full body, so you will get a good workout from this. If you've been sitting for a while, make sure to add a little warm up to this routine before you start. I'm using two 5-pound dumbbells for this workout, but feel free to use whatever weight you're comfortable with. Other than that, you do not need any equipment. We will have some moves on the ground, so make sure you have a soft surface like a yoga mat or some carpet. Make sure to have a water close by to stay hydrated, and as always, check with your doctor or your physician before doing any of these exercises to make sure these workouts are suitable for you. We have 20 different exercises in this workout, and each move we'll do on for 45 seconds with a 15-second rest in between. Listen to your body though. If you do feel like you need a little longer break, make sure to press that pause button, take a break, and then get back to it as soon as you can. I hope you guys enjoy this workout, and with all that being said, let's get straight into it. Let's go.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, 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 like I do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do, like
I hold on to this storm, cause I need to be swept away, swept away. I'm cornered in the cold where you left me, left again, left again. Oh, there's a jungle in my head growing wilder, and it's killing me. I cannot let you go, I cannot let you go, I cannot let you go, I cannot let you go. Jump, jump. back to me, back to me. How could I let you go? How could I let you go? How could I let you go? How could I let you go?
Warm hands, but there's something cold in the way you are. The things you said had me going good, but it left a scar. You invite me and then you turn me down. Get my hopes up and then you're gone. I fall for every word that you say to me. So hard, being drawn to you so easily. I am stuck in a loop of chemicals. What's the point? Never call me, and then I see you on the street. Said your heart just skipped a beat, and that you miss me. It's always the same story with you, but I just cannot refuse you. I'm sad after this time that I'm out, that you leave me with this rush. Why am I so curious? So curious, so curious, so curious, so curious. Your friends have told me just to give you time. Weekends are passing by like everything is fine. I know this is so delusional. I have lost my grip. Call me, and then I see you on the street. Said your heart just skipped a beat, and that you miss me. It's always the same story with you, but I just cannot refuse you. I'm sad after this time that I'm out, that you leave me with this rush. Why am I so curious? So curious, so curious. I don't know, why do I even care? I don't know, why do I love you? I don't know, why do I even care? I don't know, why do I love you? I don't know, why do I even care? I don't know, why do I love you? I'm recklessly drawn to you somehow, but you hit me with this rush. Why am I so curious? If I know that it's gonna end. So curious, so curious. So curious, so curious.
Wanna be the person that you call up when you're down. Wanna be the first who knows all of your deepest secrets. Can I be the one who wakes you up before you missed your ride? 'Cause I wanna be close to you, and I wanna show you something new. You gotta know, every day I got your back, yeah, you can count on me for that. So put your hand in mine, I will be there every day. When you're sick of the climb, I will make sure it's okay. I know you didn't ask for any of this, but we reach for the sky. Lost with flying colors now. Let it go. Gonna try to keep the pace, but someday we will find that the world has changed, but we stay true to each other. I will always be there for you whenever you need my help. I'm taking my time to be your rock. I don't ever wanna be apart. You gotta know, every day I got your back, yeah, you can count on me for that. So put your hand in mine, I will be there every day. When you're sick of the climb, I will make sure it's okay. I know you didn't ask for any of this, but we reach for the sky. Lost with flying colors now. Let it go. Of the let it go. Let it go. Of the show you something new. You gotta know, every day